The gas stove is a cooking appliance that burns natural gas or propane to produce heat. It was first developed in the 19th century and became widely popular in the 20th century due to its convenience, reliability, and affordability. The gas stove had a significant impact on the way people cook and eat, particularly in urban areas. It enabled faster and more efficient cooking, allowing people to prepare meals quickly and easily without the need for traditional wood-fired stoves or open fires. The gas stove also had a profound impact on public health, as it reduced the risk of indoor air pollution and respiratory diseases associated with cooking with traditional stoves and fuels. In terms of improving gas stoves, there are ongoing efforts to make them more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. For example, newer models of gas stoves are designed to use less fuel and emit fewer greenhouse gases, making them more sustainable and cost-effective in the long run. There are also efforts to make gas stoves safer and more user-friendly, particularly in terms of preventing gas leaks and fire hazards. This includes the development of new sensors and alarms that can detect gas leaks and shut off the stove automatically, as well as the incorporation of safety features such as automatic shut-off valves and flame sensors. Finally, there are ongoing efforts to improve the design and aesthetics of gas stoves, making them more attractive and easier to clean. This includes the use of new materials such as glass and stainless steel, as well as new design features such as touch controls and self-cleaning mechanisms.